Yo, what's up, Social Cam? We got my boy.
DP, Derek Parner, Nate Joyner.
He's so dark. Can you
Dark and
can y'all see him? we got Dennis Ford. I don't know if I'm even pointing. Then we got Michael Henry. On keys. This is our setup for the day. They doing mic checks. This is Mike's station. Say what's up, Mike.
What's up, man?
Last time they seen you on Social Cam, you was getting hugged out on the game.
Getting hugged out. Jason be with them cheat codes.
Yeah, right. That's
I'm gonna
Mike's
get him.
station.
I'm gonna get him back.
He running main stage. Can't show y'all his secrets on there. No. Then we got my setup. We're running Pro Tools. Then we got Skeeter. His bass. And then we got Dennis Ford set up.
One, two.
Then it's the theater. I don't know if y'all can see it.
1, 2, hey. 1, 2, 2.
Anyway,
hey.
going through sound check, about to get started.
1, 2,
In just a second, so we'll hit y'all in just a minute.
2.
All right, Social Cam.
1, 2, hey.